Wouldn't you like to have that eye-catching V-shaped body with broad shoulders and a narrow waist? A physique that radiates confidence? Today, I'm telling you how to do it with simple, science-backed exercises that get results. A V-shaped body means broad shoulders, a sculpted back, and a narrow waist. It's the classic superhero look. And guess what? You don't need to spend hours at the gym. V-taper equals broad shoulders, wide back, and tight abs. For a true V-taper, focus on 3 main muscle groups: 1 shoulders for width, 2 back for that of shape, 3 abs to keep the waist tight. Here's your V-taper workout plan. Simple, effective, and proven to work. Lateral raises 3 sets of 12 reps. This increases shoulder width. Overhead press 3 sets of 8, 10 reps, strengthens shoulders and creates that powerful look. Pull-ups 3 sets of 8, 12 reps, the king of V-taper exercises. Barbell rows 3 sets of 10 reps, builds a thick and strong back. Hanging leg raises 3 sets of 12 reps, keeps the waist tight and aesthetic. Russian twists 3 sets of 15 reps on each side, defines the obliques and sharpens your waistline. Consistency plus progressive overload equals results. Working out is only half of the equation. To reveal your V-shape, you need to keep your waist slim. Here's how. Consume enough protein. Aim for at least 1.8, 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. That's about 0.8-1 gram per pound. Maintain a calorie deficit to burn fat and keep your waist tight. Hydration and recovery. Sleep and fluid intake play a huge role in muscle growth. 80% nutrition, 20% training. Get it right. That's all there is to it. Follow this plan, be consistent, and your V-taper transformation will be inevitable. What's your biggest challenge in building a V-taper? Let me know in the comments. Let's help each other and get ripped. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and effective fitness content.